I feel like I need to do more. I'm not where I want to be. There has to be more to my life. But why am I still standing at the starting line? Every day, every night, everything is the same all the time. Will it ever change? Hi, I'm Frishta, an artist who is trying to become a better artist in the next 30 days. But you might ask, why? You already, you've made these amazing pieces. Yes, I did that. But we both know I am not a good artist. I procrastinate, not for hours, but for days and weeks, until I'm forced to paint or make art. Is it normal? I don't think so. Is it art block? But why when I get off my ass and create something, it actually looks good? I know what you're probably thinking. She's just lazy. But not really, because it's 4 AM while I'm filming this video. So it's not fair to call myself lazy. I don't know what's wrong with me yet, but I do know what I cannot do. But I have to learn. Like they say, it's better to start before you know everything. Well, originally it's before you're ready to do. But anyways. So now we're going to start from something that I'm pretty ashamed of admitting to it. And that is freestyle or freehand drawing. It's the kind of drawing you do only with your hands and a pen or a pencil without relying on a ruler or guidelines. So far I have relied on both of them plus tracing the reference photo, but I think I do kinda need some upgrade. It's not that tracing or guidelines are bad or cheating, it's that I want that freedom of being able to draw or sketch anything anywhere. Because when I first started doing art, I actually started with sketching, drawing, and I did learn how to do it. But now, whenever I pick up a pencil, they look like that. Because it's been years since I have actually practiced properly. However, this time I am not going to just sketch, I'm going to study how to sketch. By that, I mean these geometric shapes. I don't have any books to follow, but I do have Pinterest, so we're gonna just dive in there and find some photos with the technique used for it. Now the things I do kinda remember from the years ago lessons are straight lines, shading. For the context, I'm really good at shading. I did these two in the beginning of the year, so I don't really need to worry about that too much. Warm-up is all done, let's get into real drawings. Today I'm not trying to make masterpieces, I'm just trying. Honestly, I thought this is gonna be really boring, but I'm kinda enjoying it. Yeah? Okay, just if you're still confused about me making art and at the same time forgetting how to draw an eye, because there's a stage of only creating and all you're trying to do is speed up the process as much as you can. So instead of obsessing over every single line you draw, you basically trace it on the canvas and then you paint over it. Voila! It just saves time. For the last part of this video, I'm gonna try something outside my comfort zone. sketching with a timer. I mean, it's just gonna look bad at the end, but I'll do it anyways. 20 minutes timer, and this is what I'm gonna draw. I know it's a drawing, but it's my first day of practicing, and he's handsome too, okay? So I had a really bad time drawing this. First of all, I did not know where to start, and then I started from everywhere, and then I did the eyes, and then I couldn't find my pencil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Wasted there. Then I ruined the jawline, which is beautiful now. I don't think so. He looks fat. There's no jawline at all. Yeah, I mean, just 20 minutes of drawing. Don't judge me about that. I mean, yeah, it looks ugly, but I think improving as an artist means being willing to make bad art sometimes. Thank you for spending time with me today. I will keep you updated on this new creative side of my life, and if there is any tips or tricks about how can I pass this stage, please let me know. Keep creating, stay healthy, drink water. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.